What's going on, YouTube? We back again with another one, and today, man, I have an awesome 18th scale RC truck I want to show you guys. Today we have the Scania 770 SV8 truck. Man, this thing is nice, man. It has a lot of features, man, especially to be this small. But we're going to take a look at this and so you guys can see what I see, man. And this thing is a beauty. So here we have the Scania 770 SV8 truck, guys. And there you have it. It comes in two colors. This gray one that I have, and also the metallic red one, as they say. But yeah, guys, this thing is nice, man. Use it as a crawler, hauler, anything like that. But, you know, it's very well scaled built, man. Got mirrors that fold open. You got the window down, so you can put a driver in the cab with the steering wheel. Like I said, it has the folding mirrors, which is cool. Another mirror up top to see. But man, it's nice, guys. This is where you put your battery at, on and off switch. It's not fast. Like I said, it's just your typical hauler, but man, this company did this rig very scaled, man. It's nice, and it's heavy too. It's nothing lightweight. This thing has got some actually weight on it, guys, but it has a lot of features that work, and we're going to show that right now in a few minutes, man. But I just wanted you guys to get an awesome view of the 770 rig, man. It's nice, guys. Definitely nice. And also, here's your the remote that comes with it that has a lot of feature. Definitely a good looking size remote. And like I said, it has tons of buttons, and all these buttons actually work, guys. Actually work. And so what else comes in the box? You get this transmitter. You get your battery. You get your 30-day warranty, battery charger, a little screwdriver, and I just found out what these little black caps was. These are actually hood caps that you can put in the truck. And so, yeah, I have to install these a little later, guys. But yep, that's exactly what these are. I was wondering what parts these was for, but yep, that's what there are. They're little hood caps that goes in the center of each rim. And so, yeah, we'll install them a little later, but that's what you get with it. We're going to put a battery in this thing, guys, and we're going to show you what all features it has and do. 1 second. All right, guys, we got the battery installed in here. Put batteries, transmitter. We're going to turn this thing on. As you can see, it's not a metal chassis or anything like that, so guys, don't get all excited. But like I say, it's just a good, decent hauler. That's what I'm going to use it for, just to have some fun, just to show it off. But we're going to hit this power switch, and let's see. Let me turn the transmitter on. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, you see it has lights, guys. It has sounds. Thing is nice, guys. Now it does have different light modes, and you can turn the sound on or off with just a click of a button. There's off. You hit it back, right back on, guys. For a budget RC that don't cost a lot, man, this is a perfect hauler for somebody, man. But let's see the lights real quick. Let me cut the sound off so you guys can hear me. All right, we're gonna turn the lights. There you got your headlights right there. You got the other lights right underneath there that just popped on. And then you got the lights up top, guys. And what else? You even got the hazards. Some more flashing LED lights right here. So this thing has 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of lights to use. I like them with just these ones on right here. We'll turn the sound back on. Oh, and it does have turn signals too. Check that out, guys. Left and right turn signals, man. This truck has a lot of features, man. I am impressed with it. Very scaled looking rig, man. But yeah, guys. Let's see. It does have backlights as well. What else it does? You see it go forward. And then it has reverse with the flashes. Yeah, guys. This thing is nice, man. I'm very impressed with it. Very impressed with it. Like I said, it comes with everything you need, lights. Not only do we just have the rig here, but we also have the trailer that goes with this bad boy, guys. Yeah, got the whole kit. And man, this trailer is nice. It has the moving legs. It has the fold down ramp so you can get on and off automatically. Man, this thing is nice, guys. I just had to show you guys what this company had to offer, man. But man, we're gonna put this trailer on there and we're gonna see how this thing really moves. Now with the trailer that came with it, as you see, this was a 1/18 flatboard trailer. Nice. And at the bottom, it has the layout of it. And that's how I was actually able to put it together, guys, because it doesn't come put together. The truck came assembled, but the trailer, no, you had to assemble this thing. But we got it up and running, and man, this thing is nice, guys. And here's what the trailer actually looks like. There you have it, guys. It has the legs that move up and down. It has the folding ramp that moves up and down by itself. It even have LED lights in the back of it. So it has lights, man. So even the trailer, the truck has lights, everything, guys. Like I said, this thing is an awesome setup. Now the trailer does take a battery, which came with it. And what else came with it? You get more tools. You get more hood caps for the wheels. You get a battery charger. And you also get a battery to put in there, guys. And so in order to make to allow everything to work, you have to put the battery in. And so we're going to put the battery in, and I'm going to demonstrate how this thing really works, guys. And here, this is where your battery compartment, and this is your on and off switch for the trailer as well. So you definitely have to use batteries, but you know, they're definitely rechargeable. When you get done, you just take them out, recharge them, put them back in when you're done. So give me 1 second. We're going to pop a battery up in here so I can show you guys how this thing really works. 1 second. All right, guys, we got the battery in the trailer. Let's show a quick demonstration of how this thing works. And like I say, it's very realistic, man. They did a good job with this rig. And now you see, this is where the trailer goes into. And these actually move and close by themselves. You see that's closing it. And then when you don't have a trailer, you just want to release it, you just do it like that, man. So I thought that's cool, man. Like I say, this truck is very functional. Like I said, I'm gonna line it up because I don't have a lot of room on this table. But I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. And so we want to make sure that the thing is open. And so you line it up, and then you just Once you line it up, you lock it, boom, you ready. Oh, and then now here go the feet, guys. You want to raise up the feet. And just like that, it's hooked up. Now, when we want to get ready to roll something onto the trailer, this is all we have to do. Boom. Easy to go right up. And then once it's loaded up, secure it, close it back up. Just like that, guys. Awesome rig, man. Awesome rig. And like I say, when you're done and you want to drop the trailer off and get on back home after a hard day's work, just back up, lower the legs, unlock the back. Let's see how I do this. That's it, and that's all you have to do. When you're ready to unload, on to the next hard, guys. But yeah, guys, like I say, this thing is awesome, man. Well built, well scaled. Comes with, like I said, you have to buy the trailer for it. But overall, it wasn't that bad of a price, man. Like I said, it's for an 18 scale. We'll have to see what vehicles I can actually put on there. I don't even know if I have. I have to see if some of these crawlers I just got actually works for it. But like I say, guys, awesome. Got the sound on it. And you got all your LED lights. Ready to roll, guys. All right, YouTube. We're gonna see what this thing do. Let's see. We hauling something. Drop that load off. We done dropped the trailer off, guys. Back to pick up more work. There you have it, guys. Awesome rig to check out, guys. I have been having fun with this truck. Definitely fun. You see, we got something on the trailer being hard. Probably add a couple more of them on there. But man, until next time, guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Speed Demon RCs. Later.